Today, I want to tell you about ChatGPT. This is not a sponsored video. This is not a paid promotion. No brand is paying me to say any of this. I am making this video because this app has genuinely changed things for me. My business, my career, my English, my everyday problems. Every single time I was stuck, I opened ChatGPT, and every single time it helped me find a way out. It can be your doctor when you need answers at 2 in the morning. It can be your business advisor when you have no one to guide you. It can be your career coach when you feel completely lost. It can be your lawyer, your engineer, your mentor, whatever you need in that moment, all at the same time, available 24 hours a day for free. You can learn English with it. You can solve your daily life problems with it. You can ask it absolutely anything, and it will give you a straight, honest, helpful answer every single time. No judgment, no fees, no appointments, no waiting. So today, in this one video, I'm going to show you everything. How to download it on your mobile, step by step. How to start your very first conversation, exactly what to type, exactly what to say. How to ask the right questions, because most people use ChatGPT the wrong way and get poor results. I will show you the correct method. How to improve your English. Speaking, grammar, vocabulary, confidence. All using ChatGPT as your personal language coach. How to solve your real-life problems. Health questions, career decisions, business ideas, personal challenges. I will show you live examples on my phone. And how to build a simple daily routine, just 25 minutes a day, that will genuinely change things for you in 30 days. And the most beautiful part? It is sitting right there inside your phone, completely free, just waiting for you to start a conversation. So today, I am going to show you exactly how to do that. This is my gift to you. Let's begin. Section 1. What you will learn in this video. So let me quickly tell you what we are covering in this video today, because I do not want you to waste your time, and I do not want you to miss anything important. First, I will show you how to download and set up ChatGPT on your mobile, step by step, right in front of you. Second, I will show you how to start your very first conversation with ChatGPT, exactly what to type, exactly what to say. Third, I will teach you the right way to ask questions, because most people use ChatGPT the wrong way and then complain it does not work. Fourth, I will show you how to use ChatGPT specifically to improve your English, speaking, grammar, vocabulary, confidence, everything. Fifth, and this is my favorite part, I will show you how to use ChatGPT for your real daily life problems, health, career, business, relationships, whatever you are dealing with, ChatGPT can help you think through it. This is not a theory video. I'm going to open ChatGPT live on my phone and show you everything with my own hands, so you can follow along exactly as I do it. No confusion, no complicated steps, just clear and simple. All right, let's get into it. Section 2. How to download ChatGPT on mobile. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is get the app on your phone. It is extremely simple. If you are on Android, open your Play Store. If you are on iPhone, open your App Store. Type ChatGPT in the search bar. You will see the official app by OpenAI. It has a simple, clean icon. Tap on it, hit Install or Get. It will download in less than a minute. Now open the app. You will see a sign-up screen. You have two options. You can create an account with your email address, or you can just tap Continue with Google and it will connect instantly. I recommend Google. It is the fastest way. Once you are in, you will see a clean white screen with a message box at the bottom. That message box, that is where everything happens. That is where your English improves. That is where your problems get solved. That is where your life starts changing. Simple as that. Section 3. How to start your first conversation. Now this is where most people freeze. They open the app, they stare at the screen, and they think, what do I even write? Let me make this the easiest thing in the world for you. For your very first message, just copy exactly what I am about to type. Watch my screen. I am typing, I want you to be my personal assistant. I am going to ask you questions about English, my health, my career, my business, and my daily life problems. Please always give me clear, simple, and honest answers. Hit send. Look at that response. ChatGPT has now understood who you are and what you need. From this point forward, every conversation you have will be more focused and more useful. That one message just set the tone for everything. Now let me show you how to ask questions the right way, because this is the part that makes the biggest difference. Section 4. How to ask the right questions. Here is the truth that nobody tells you. ChatGPT is only as good as the question you ask it. If you ask a weak question, you get a weak answer. If you ask a strong question, you get an answer that genuinely helps you. Let me show you the difference live. Wrong way. I type English. It does not know what I want. It gives me something generic that helps nobody. Right way. I type, I am a beginner in English. I struggle with speaking confidently. Can you have a simple daily conversation with me and correct my mistakes after every reply I give? Show response. See that? Completely different, focused, useful, exactly what I needed. So the formula is always this. Tell ChatGPT who you are. Tell ChatGPT what your problem is. Tell ChatGPT exactly how you want it to help you. 3 things every single time, and I promise the results will be completely different. Section 5. How to learn English with ChatGPT. Okay, now let us talk about English specifically. Whether you are someone who knows zero English or someone who just wants to sound more fluent and confident, ChatGPT can be your complete English academy for free every single day. Let me show you exactly how. For daily conversation practice, type this. Act as my English conversation partner. I am a beginner. Talk to me about simple daily life topics. After every reply I give, correct my grammar mistakes and explain what the right way is. Now just reply. Even if your English is broken, even if every sentence has a mistake, ChatGPT will correct you every time, explain the right way, and keep the conversation going naturally. This one exercise alone, done daily, will transform your English faster than any class ever will. For grammar help, type this. I always get confused between was and were. Please explain the difference in very simple words and give me 5 easy examples. For vocabulary, type this. Give me 10 English words that are useful in everyday conversations. Write the meaning of each word and one simple example sentence. For speaking practice, and this is something most people do not know about, inside the ChatGPT app, there is a microphone button. Press it and speak out loud. Have a full voice conversation with ChatGPT just like you are talking to a real person. This is speaking practice. This is pronunciation practice. This is confidence building. And it is all free right there on your phone. Do this for 20 minutes every day, and in 30 days, you will feel a difference you cannot ignore. Section 6. Solving real-life problems with ChatGPT. Now this is the part I personally love the most, because ChatGPT is not just for English, it is for your entire life. Let me show you real examples live on my phone right now. Health problem. Say you have had a headache for 3 days and you do not know what is wrong. Type this. I have been having a headache for 3 days, mostly at the back of my head. I also feel tired. What could be the possible reasons and what should I do? Look at that. Clear, organized answer. Possible causes listed. What to do at home. When to see a doctor. This does not replace a real doctor, but it helps you understand your situation clearly before you even step into a clinic. Career problem. You want a job, but do not know how to write a CV. Type this. I am a fresh graduate. I studied computer science. Help me write a professional CV for a junior developer job. Done. Your CV is ready to edit and use in seconds. Business problem. You have a small shop and you want more customers, but your budget is limited. Type this. I run a small clothing shop in a local market. My budget is very limited. Give me 5 practical ideas to attract more customers. 5 real ideas tailored to your exact situation immediately. Personal problem. Even personal challenges, family stress, difficult decisions, communication issues at work. You can talk to ChatGPT about all of it. It will not judge you, it will listen, and it will help you think clearly. Type, I am having a conflict with my colleague at work. Here is what happened. Describe your situation. What is the best way to handle this professionally? This is what I mean when I say ChatGPT is your doctor, your teacher, your engineer, your lawyer, your coach, all in one, all free, all on your phone. Section 7. Your simple daily routine. Let me give you a simple daily plan that will change your English and your life over the next 30 days. Morning, 10 minutes. Open ChatGPT. Have a short English conversation. Talk about your day, your plans, the weather, anything. Just talk in English. Afternoon, 5 minutes. Ask ChatGPT one question about any problem you are facing that day. Health, work, studies, relationships, whatever is on your mind. Evening, 10 minutes. Write 3 to 5 sentences in English about how your day went. Ask ChatGPT to correct them and explain any mistakes. 25 minutes a day. No money, no class, no commute, no excuses. Just you, your phone, and the most powerful free tool ever created. So let me say this one last time, clearly and honestly. You do not need an expensive teacher. You do not need a paid course. You do not need to wait for the perfect moment. Everything you need is already available to you, right now, for free. ChatGPT is not just an app. Used the right way, it is a tool that can genuinely change the direction of your life. Download it today, send your first message today, and tell me in the comments what was the very first question you asked ChatGPT. I read every single comment, every one. If this video helped you even a little, please hit the like button, share it with one friend who needs this, and subscribe.